morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. I am a student and I live in Lucknow. Today I am practicing for my IELTS speaking test. So let us start it. First question is, do you like your city? Yes, I really like my city, Lucknow. It is a very beautiful and peaceful place. The city is famous for its culture and food. I feel comfortable living here because the people are friendly and the environment is calm. Okay, move to the next question. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I like to watch videos, listen to music, and sometimes talk with my friends. I also spend time improving my English speaking skills because it is very important for my future. Okay, do you prefer studying alone or with friends? I prefer studying alone because it helps me concentrate better. However, sometimes I study with friends when I need help or want to discuss something. Both ways are useful, but I feel more productive when I study alone. Okay, what is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is the one I am most interested in, mathematics, because it helps me build my future. Okay, describe your best friend. I would like to talk about my best friend. She is a very kind and supportive person. I have known her for many years and we share a strong bond. We always helps me when I face any problem and she motivates me to do better in life. We spend a lot of time together talking, studying and sharing our thoughts. What I like most about her in her positive attitude and caring nature, I feel very lucky to have such a friend in my life. Overall, she plays an important role in my life. Okay, move to the next question. Why are friends important in life? Friends are very important because they provide emotional support and companionship. They help us in difficult situations and make our life more enjoyable. Without friends, life can feel lonely. Okay, do you think students should spend more time studying or socializing? In my opinion, students should maintain a balance between studying and socializing. Studying is important for success, but socializing helps in developing communication skills and reducing stress. Okay, how has technology affected students? Technology has greatly affected students in a positive way. It has made learning easier and more accessible. Students can now learn online, watch educational videos, and improve their skills. However, too much use of technology can also be distracting. Okay, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday was quite productive for me. I attended my classes and completed my assignment on time. After that, I spent some time practicing English speaking because I want to improve my fluency. In the evening, I relaxed with my family and watched a movie. Overall, it was a balanced and enjoyable day. Okay, what are your future plans? In the future, I plan to complete my education and build a successful career. I am also planning to go abroad for higher studies, and that's why I am preparing for the IELTS exam. I believe that learning English will help me achieve my goals and open many opportunities for me. Do you like watching movies? Yes, I really enjoy watching movies in my free time. It helps me relax and also improve my English listening skills. I usually watch movies with my family and it is a great way to spend quality time together. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Emma from Lucknow. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.